Introducing the all-new Mammoth Cold Zone Fridge Freezer with Bluetooth Smart Control. With a low-profile design, tough metal exterior and high-efficiency C-Cop compressor, it is the best value for money fridge freezer on the market. Featuring an easy-to-read digital control panel, 3-stage battery protection, an ultra-insulated cabinet with aluminium liner, an internal LED light, and removable basket with divider. The Mammoth's Bluetooth Smart Control allows you to set and control the performance of your fridge, including temperature, battery condition and cooling modes right from the palm of your hand. Also included with every Mammoth fridge freezer is a protective transit cover. If you want a fridge that is rugged, reliable, uses the latest technology, and is built to last, look no further than Mammoth for everything big in fridge freezers.